Tai Chi foundational posture. There's a lot going on, even though it doesn't look like there's much going on. So I'm going to break down the first foundational posture of Tai Chi. We call it embracing horse. Try it with me. Separate the feet about shoulder width apart. Turn the toes in a little bit so the outer edges of the feet are parallel. Bend the knees a little bit and lean forward a little bit. Remember, the lean forward isn't really a bend forward. The lean forward means when you bend your knees, there's a tendency to lean back. So when you bend your knees here, you want to do a corresponding lean forward. And then when you circle your hands up for that foundational posture to hold it, you can adjust and try to get a sense of being straight in your posture. When I said there's a lot going on here, when it looks like it's not much going on, that means when you hold the position, which is typically held 3 minutes as a beginner, it is not just static in the legs, you're not just a lump there, all right? It's like you feel like you're about to jump. So we call that pressuring into the balls of the feet. So when you bend, you want to feel like you've engaged all the way to the balls of your feet, like you can spring out of the position at any time, even though you're being relaxed. There's a saying in Tai Chi, like a cat about to pounce on a rat. So it's alive feeling in your body, not like a relaxed lump. So the toes are in slightly, knees out slightly so that the knees are over your toes, and there's a roundness, like riding a horse, a tiny horse in this case. And then the pelvis has to tuck in a little bit. This is something that might need its own video, but in Tai Chi there's a tucking in of the pelvis, but at the same time, not a stiffness or tightening in your center. Not too much, not too little with the butt sticking out. So there's a nice equal position, which I think may take years sometimes to discover in Tai Chi. So you try to find that for yourself. Try to be straight, hold the arms in a circle, and then just keep that springy feeling in your legs, and just hold the position, focusing on your breath. That's what I mean by a lot's going on when it looks like nothing's going on here. Give it a shot.